Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix while your camera isn't working. At first you need to open the settings and scroll all the way down to the apps. Here, scroll down to the letter C and find camera. Now, here scroll down to the storage and tap clear data. This resets camera settings back to defaults but doesn't delete your photos, and resets the cache, which is actually very useful because we need to reset it to have our camera working, because there might be some bug. There might have been actually some bug when it comes to the software. If it doesn't work still, you need to go even deeper. So what I mean by saying deeper, go back to the camera application in the apps section, and straight from here you need to scroll down to the permissions, or maybe not scroll down because they are here. You need to allow for a camera because sometimes it may be, cursed and broken. You need to tap camera and allow this, and tap allow only while using the application, and everything should be nice now. If it still doesn't want to work, you need to run the hardware diagnostics. How to do that? Open your Samsung settings, and here open warranty and care. Tap continue and tap diagnostics. Now you will run your phone diagnostics, actually everything that's in here, every single button and etc. You need to of course wait till you see camera, and if you see that your camera is faulty, you need to of course contact device support. The app will test both the primary rear sensor and the front selfie sensor independently. If a sensor fails to render a test image, the camera module may require a physical service. If it won't require a physical service, you need to still contact, okay, now we've got camera, to device support because your application doesn't want to work. You can try installing a third-party application for the camera, like for example, I don't know, some Google Pixel camera or something like that. Maybe not, maybe some Blackmagic, and test if it works. If it works, there is a problem with your camera application right here. And that should be it for this video. Remember, if something doesn't work now, you need to contact device support and describe your problem. Bye.